Hello, friends. Today, let's listen to a tiny voice from nature itself. Yes, a message from a leaf. Hey, I'm just a leaf, small, simple, and green. I dance with the wind and glow in the sunlight. My life may be tiny, but I am part of something big, a cycle that keeps your world alive. When I fall, don't feel sad. It's just nature's way to begin again. But before you walk away, listen to me. Cherish this art. Care for every tree, every breath, because every breath you take is a gift from one small leaf. So, friends, this was a message from a leaf. Nature always speaks. We just need to listen. If you felt the message, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.